Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Ivy and I'm a makeup artist, YouTuber and content creator based in Asaba Delta State, Nigeria. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 amazing makeup hacks you should know. Now, if you want to learn what these makeup hacks are, then please keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe. It only takes 1 second. Welcome back guys. So the very first makeup hack is about your face primer. I have one here, the Rimmel Stay Matte Primer, because I have oily skin, irrespective of your skin type. Once you apply your face primer, allow the primer to sit on your skin for at least 2 to 3 minutes to soak into the skin, to activate itself before you go on to apply foundation directly on top of the primer. If you just apply your face primer and immediately go over top the face primer with your foundation, you are not giving the face primer time to work and it's not going to do its job. That is why most times you will say, I bought this face primer, it's not working, it's not working. No, it's working, it's your application. So once you apply your face primer, give it some time, about 2 to 3 minutes, to sit on your skin, to set into the skin, to start doing its work before you go over top that face primer with your foundation. The second makeup hack we have today has to do with your concealers. This concealer I have right here is from Colourpop. It's a Colourpop No Filter concealer, but this applies to almost every concealer I have used, except the e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealer, because that concealer dries so fast. So what hack is this? Once you apply your highlighting concealer underneath your eye, on your forehead, on the bridge of your nose, on your chin, give that concealer some time to get tacky, to air dry a bit before you go on to blend with your beauty sponge, your brush, whatever. What that does is it helps the concealer maintain full coverage. It just improves the coverage of the concealer. It helps the concealer blend better, and because most times we set almost immediately we're done blending our concealer, the concealer is no longer wet, it's no longer tacky, it has dried down a bit. As you are blending it, it's whatever is left is drying up. Okay, then you just go over immediately and set with your setting powder. So once you apply your concealer, your highlighting concealer most especially, give it some time to get tacky before you blend. Sometime you are sitting there asking me like, sometime how long? It depends. Some concealers are more creamy than others. When it starts getting tacky, you would see it, you would notice it. That is the point. You should start blending out the concealer. And please, one more time, see this e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealer. This makeup hack does not apply to it. The third makeup hack has to do with your mascara. Now, one mascara like this nowadays in Nigeria is going for between 8 to 14, 15, 16,000 naira. We not get money to buy mascara every market day. So once your mascara gets dried up and you just started using it and you've not used the cocoa out of the mascara, you've not enjoyed, you've not finished it, there's something inside, you've not finished it properly. See, stop putting water inside. Water does not do anything. Sure. Water does not do anything. Just deceiving yourself. Go and get a brand new eye drop. The one I love to use is this chloramphenicol one. It's very cheap, very affordable. Please, the brand does not know me. Very cheap, very affordable. Open up your mascara. Put about 3 to 4 drops into the mascara. Put the wand back and hit on your hand like this. Just keep on hitting and hitting for about, let's say 3 to 4 minutes. Just keep on hitting and hitting. Please resist the urge to do this pumping motion. You are pushing air into the tube back, and it's going to dry again almost instantaneously, almost instantly. Okay, so just do like this, do like this, do like this. It helps it to activate and get all those other products that are hiding somewhere, and then you have some more use out of your mascara. The fourth makeup hack has to do with your brow gels, your gel liners, whatever gel products you have. Now, many a time, because of constant use and when time has passed, you notice that your brow gel, your gel liners, they get strong, they get hardened, and you're unable to, they're no longer as creamy as they are when you first got them, and you're unable to use them. It's not your time to toss off. There's still some product left in it. So what you're going to do, you're going to get yourself a makeup seal like this. This one I have is the Haagen Esther makeup seal. So it's a softener, it's a color lux, and it's a color intensifier. I used either this or the Inglot Duraline. I don't have it handy here, but it should be somewhere. The Inglot Duraline. Please don't just pour it into the container. No, just put about 3 drops, and then you go ahead. It just softens the product, and you go ahead and your product becomes as creamy as it was on the very day you got it. So when your brow gel liners get hardened, it's not your time to throw away. Get you either this makeup seal from Haagen Esther or the Inglot Duraline, and just put a few drops in it, and you are good to go. Your product is as brand new as can be. The fifth and final makeup hack has to do with what? Eyeshadows. Now, many a time you are with your eyeshadow, you want to apply makeup, and the next thing, on the ground, the eyeshadow has fallen, and to your dismay, you know that shock you get, that panic, anxiety you get when you notice that the shadow has scattered everywhere, like that's broken from the pan, and you're just thinking like, oh, my favorite eyeshadow. No, don't need to cry. What are you crying for? I'll be here for you. I will tell you the secret. Just get a sheet of paper, pack, as long as the place is not dirty, pack that eyeshadow, put it back into the pan where it fell from. You're going to, that piece of paper you used, you're going to get a pair of scissors or razor blade. You're going to place that paper on the eyeshadow and cut a circle or a square the size of the pan. All right, now you are going to get isopropyl alcohol, at least 90% isopropyl alcohol. You are looking at me like, you've come with your Yubo. Please, if you are based here in Nigeria, methylated spirit, they have different brands. The one I like to use is Moko. The brand does not know me once again. Get methylated spirit, at least 90% one. No, don't get something percent. 90% at methylated spirit. You are going to pour into the eyeshadow. You are going to take a spatula and you're going to break the eyeshadow, mash it. You're going to take that piece of paper that you cut and place it on top. When you are done mashing and mixing, place it on top. You're going to take any circular circumference like this, a coin, the tip of a foundation, any circular surface like this. Put the paper on that eyeshadow and you're going to gently press and press. The paper will absorb some of that isopropyl alcohol, and isopropyl alcohol, methylated spirit, it evaporates so quickly. So you're going to press and press, just press gently into the pan and open up and allow to air dry. Look, within a few hours, when you look at that eyeshadow, if you don't tell someone that it fell, nobody will know. So there you have it, guys. 5 makeup hacks I just thought to come on here to share with you. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for staying tuned till the end, and until I come your way again next week, remain blessed. Bye, guys.